guys, so I know you've been asking for this muffin recipe and I've been lazy about it, but today I'm gonna share with you how I make it, and no butter, no sugar. So we're gonna start with banana. First of all, I've mashed 2 bananas here. I think I want it to be more sweet, so the sweeter you want it, the better. More bananas. And then you just mash it. The next, I'm gonna add Malays to it. So for those who are vegan, I'm sorry, you can use chia seed instead of an egg. And then just mix it. I'm gonna add some avocado oil. I don't use butter, so I use avocado oil. This is the brand I love. I love so much this brand. It's pure avocado oil here. I know there's so many avocado oil out there, but guys, those are mixed with seed oil, most of them. So okay, you add good amount like that. I don't use measurement because I'm Kenyan. My husband uses measurement in everything. Me, I just use my eyes. So I'm gonna add this vanilla extract. This is the brand that I use. I'm gonna link it below or tag it. Just add good amount. Yeah. I'm gonna add cinnamon because I love cinnamon. Good amount of cinnamon. Add my baking powder. Guys, I'm Kenyan. I don't use measurement. I just so it's hard for me to tell you how much you should be adding. Okay, add good amount so that your muffin can rise. Mix everything. Mix until it's perfect. The consistency you want. So normally I use dates, but this time I want to try raisin. Raisins, good amount, and then mix. And then I'm gonna add my sliced almonds. It's still 365. That's enough. And then some chia seeds. Sometimes I like chia seeds just a little bit because I've added. I like adding chia seed when I eat. I just love that crunchiness in my mouth. Last but not least, add your flour. I use all-purpose flour. This is organic. Still 365. Okay. Add good amount, not too much. So I'll mix this, and if it's too light, I'll keep adding. Yeah, I do this twice a week most of the time. So the next step, my tray. I'm gonna use still avocado oil. You wanna make sure these parts are lubricated because when the muffins are ready, you wanna remove them. You don't want them to stick on this tray. The last part of it, just add this. And then if you want them to look a bit fancy, just add a bit of this. It's flour. It's nothing. It's no sugar. It's really crunchy. I always like the toppings, so add some fruit toppings. Ready to go to the oven, guys. The magic is gonna happen. It's 350 already. Yeah. This is how I wait for my muffins. 난 모를 거야. 아마 날 모를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은 Anyway, I was gonna show you how I store them. So I'm gonna let them cool down and then cut it in the middle. I'm gonna show you how guys turned out. Look at that, really nice. Then I'm gonna add my honey. This is honey. You can add honey on top, drizzle. That's enough. I wish I had peanut butter or almond. my god, it smells so good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you're gonna try this at home, and if you try it, how it turns out. And yeah, we're gonna try to do more stuff, post more stuff for you guys on YouTube. That's one of our goals. And yeah, just let me know if you like the recipe. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, so that if you subscribe, you're always one of the top people that sees our content whenever we post. So subscribe, comment, like, share, do all that good stuff. Love you, people.